Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Base network to Phantom Wallet. In order to do it, you first need to launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application, and over here you need to tap on the top left hand corner of your screen where you will be able to see your profile icon. Now click on the settings icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, and once you are in the settings of your Phantom Wallet, you will be able to see the fourth option of active networks. Now by default, 4 networks will be activated in your Phantom Wallet, that are Solana, Ethereum, Polygon and Bitcoin. And here you will be able to see the fifth option of Base, and currently this option is in beta section. So you can use this network in order to swap from Solana to the Base chain basically. So here you just have to simply turn the toggle button on right next to Base, and now once you come back on your home page, you will be able to see Base in this list. So you can even get Base token in your Phantom Wallet and all of the tokens that are based on the Base network. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.